In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a moderator on Jitsi Meet. Now, first, you want to go to their official website and click on download top right. And now, of course, you could go and use any of their mobile applications or self-hosting, but I'm just going to go with this service they have online. So I'm going to click on Jitsi Meet online over here, and it's going to take me to a separate tab. And over here, as you can see, it says you can book a meeting URL in advance where you are the only moderator. So you can click on that. And now from here, you'll basically have to sign in. Now, as you can see, I don't have to do it because I've signed in already, but it's going to prompt you to use one of your accounts. You can sign up with Google or whatever you want. And then over here, as you can see, it says Jitsi moderated meetings. And basically, this is a feature that lets you book a meeting URL in advance with you are the only moderator. So over here, you can basically share meeting link for guests. You can just basically copy this link and share it with anyone and then can join as guests, or you can basically share this page with other moderators and you can basically just join as a moderator over here like this. You can click on join meeting, and that way, as you can see, I've successfully joined the meeting and I am now the moderator. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.